Oh, way they go. Pure joy from the outside. Moving up is Flo Joyner, Jet Setter Slim. And moving up by Daryl is Early Greeting. It's now Flo Joyner, followed by Pure Joy in second. Jet Setter Slim is racing in third by Daryl, rising up. Stay at home, Mom. Danori inside, Early Greeting. And a long way back to Beyond Good. Passing the half-mile post is Flo Joyner by about 2 lengths, followed by Pure Joy. Jet Setter Slim Stay at home, Mom. Racing in fourth from the outside, and Early Greetings. Rounding the far turn, Flo Joyner by Ole and Pure Joy, Jet Setter Slim. Stay at home, Mom. Racing in fourth from the outside as they race the last 450. Flo Joyner, Pure Joy, Jet Setter Slim. Stay at home, Mom. Racing in fourth from the outside as they race the last 150. Pure Joy is now the leader, followed by Jet Setter Slim. Flo Joyner. Stay at home, Mom, from the outside. Pure Joy, stay at home, Mom, on the outside. It's still Pure Joy, Flo Joyner, and finally Pure Joy close. Flo Joyner, stay at home, Mom, for second. And Jet Setter Slim took fourth. Then comes Beyond Good, Early Greeting.